This is Juergen.
And Volker.
We're going to talk about Data Loader today.
Yeah, it's a powerful tool.
Yeah, initially I thought it was really boring.
Really?
Yeah,
I liked it. I liked that it didn't have a whole lot of limitations.
it is. It is. I didn't really understand it. I've been using Salesforce for 10 years and I just recently got it, but don't tell anybody.
Oh.
So anyways, key is all around the ID. And this is called the contact ID or account ID. Do you see that number up there?
Yeah, I've seen that ID. I did a whole org download and this 003334. Yeah, the account numbers all have a similar code. 0141, I think. Yeah.
The point is that's a specific record type, say on the contact object or something. What happened to me is I uploaded 5,000 records, or I thought I had verbal, but I guess I didn't. Against case object, which then created contacts, accounts, a couple custom object records. How do you all do it against one with the data loader? Here's how. So what you do is you do data loader, you upload to this, you allow it, and then it shows you this. So what I did was I did a conditional export against the case object and asked for the contact ID, account ID, special object ID, that 18-digit number. I think it's 18 digits. I think 15 digits is the one that's case sensitive. 18 is not.
Yeah. The last part is file specific.
Oh, and then I got that an export in a CSV.
Okay, that's handy.
And then I used that same file because I checked it that it was indeed the 5,000 records I wasn't supposed to update or upload. And contacts, and it didn't delete all contacts, but it related the contacts that I created with against that specific case or the cases I uploaded. And then I ran delete against it, a delete function against this.
So you extracted it and then you got rid of them out of the org.
But you run data loader against that object, and you can do cross object stuff with the contact or other object. And by
Clean slate.
By 8:05, nobody knew that I had uploaded and downloaded 5,000 records in the production, even out of the recycle bin. That's it. That's how the secret to data loader. I ran it against 50 cases or so and just changed all the statuses. But you export it, you get against the ID, and then you change it, and you can upsert it or you can delete it, or whatever. That's it. Thank you so much.
Right. Hey, thanks for showing me that new tool.
You're welcome. Have a great evening.